So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-edit ng Christmas AI photo for mother and daughter. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang Google Chrome browser sa ating mobile device. So open nyo lang guys. And then dito sa search bar, isa-search lang natin is yung Google Gemini. So search nyo lang guys. And then ito yung piliin nyo. Open lang natin yung site ng Google Gemini. And ayan guys, pagka-open ng website or site ng Google Gemini, ang first step is kailangan mag-upload muna tayo ng photo na gagamitin natin as face reference. So make sure guys, photo siya or picture ng mother and daughter. So pili lang ako guys sa aking gallery or sa aking phone, upload files, then photos and videos. So pili lang ako. So tap nyo lang guys once na may napili na kayong image and wait nyo siya hanggang sa ma-upload. And ayan guys, ang second step naman natin is maglalagay na tayo ng prompts dito sa baba or yung pinaka-description. So meron na ako dito guys na prompt. Ang gagawin ko na lang is ikakopy ko na lang siya. So dapat kompleto guys yung ikakopy ninyo. So copy lang natin. And paste nyo siya dito sa baba. And nga pala guys, yung prompt na ginamit ko dito is ilalagay ko na lang sa description box ng video na to. And doon, i-copy nyo yung prompt and then paste nyo din sa inyong phone sa Google Gemini. So ayan guys, after nyo may upload yung photo and then mai-paste yung prompt, tap na natin itong send button. And nag-generate na yan guys, wait na lang natin hanggang sa matapos. So ayan guys, okay na, i-scroll up ko na. So ayan guys, ganito yung lumabas na image. So para ma-download to, tap nyo lang yung photo. And tap nyo yung download or save button dito sa upper right corner. And automatic yan guys, masasave na siya sa ating mobile device. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-edit ng Christmas AI photo for mother and daughter. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.